Hey there, fellow drivers, welcome back. It's always great to see you here. Today, I've got something super useful for you. 5 car hacks every US driver should know. These are not just any tips, but practical, easy-to-do hacks that can make your driving experience smoother and more enjoyable. Trust me, these tips will save you both time and money. And who doesn't love saving a few bucks while making life a bit easier? So let's dive right in. Get ready to take some notes or just sit back and enjoy. Hack number 1, use toothpaste to clean foggy headlights. Yup, you heard that right. Toothpaste isn't just for your teeth. Just grab some toothpaste with baking soda, apply it to your headlights, and scrub with a cloth. The mild abrasives in the toothpaste help to remove the grime and fogginess. Rinse with water and voila, your headlights will look brand new. It's almost like magic, but it's just good old science. It's an easy fix that costs practically nothing. No need for expensive headlight restoration kits. Hack number 2, fix small dents with a plunger. If you've got a minor dent on your car, try this trick. It's surprisingly effective. Wet the plunger in the dent area, then push and pull the plunger like you're unclogging a sink. The suction created can help pop the dent out. With some luck, the dent will pop right out. It's a quick fix that can save you a trip to the body shop. It's a quick and cheap solution before you consider expensive repairs. Definitely worth a try. Hack number 3. Use a pool noodle to prevent car door dings. Cut a pool noodle in half and attach it to the wall of your garage where your car door opens. This is a great way to protect your car doors. This simple hack prevents those annoying and costly door dings. No more worrying about hitting the wall when you open your door. Plus, it's super easy to install. Just a few minutes of work for long-term peace of mind. Hack number 4. De-ice your locks with hand sanitizer. In winter, frozen car locks can be a nightmare. But there's a simple solution. Just apply a bit of hand sanitizer to your key and insert it into the lock. The alcohol in the sanitizer will melt the ice. The alcohol in the sanitizer will melt the ice and get you back on the road in no time. No more struggling with frozen locks. And finally, hack number 5. Use a rubber band to hold your phone. If you don't have a phone holder, just wrap a rubber band around your car's air vent and slip your phone through it. It's a quick and easy solution. It's a quick and secure way to keep your phone in place while navigating or taking calls hands-free. Safety first, always. So, there you have it. 5 simple car hacks that every US driver should know. These hacks are not only practical but also incredibly easy to implement. Remember, a little creativity can save you a lot of money and hassle. These small tricks can make a big difference in your daily driving routine. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome hacks and car tips. Safe driving, everyone. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your life on the road easier and more enjoyable.